on, baby. We got a double. We dubbed up. This weekend means being out on the water with some vets and spend time with people that serve this great nation, and just having a good old camaraderie, and just, you know, letting everything else go and not worrying about all the problems and everything that we dealt with, and just
coming into it is all about being outdoors and having a chance to fish, which I've been doing in 20 years. But after the first night and the first morning of fishing and hanging out with these guys, it was so much more than that.
It's great to just feel that again, to know that you're not alone. There's people you can talk to, even if you're not ready to get like actual therapy or anything like that.
I really think the biggest thing is tribe, and bringing people together to share their experiences, and just know that they've got community and people to talk to, people to support them in the future. So I think that's the biggest thing we did out here.
Times that really matter are the times that we're sitting around on the porch, or we're sitting around food and we're talking. That's where the true healing happens.
You know, it's an opportunity of a lifetime, and I got to meet a lot of great people.
Thank you to all the supporters of SOD. It's been a great weekend. Hope to see you guys again soon.
Thank you, SOD supporters.
Yeah, boy!